So who's this guy?
This is Charlie.
Oh,
You don't want any more? Come on.
I like the macaroni.
Well, they do and they don't. You can bite a chunk off.
It's like the peanuts. Sometimes they go wild for them, sometimes they couldn't care less.
Yeah. There you go. Now it's going to be stuck in your mouth. It'll be a big production. That's a good boy. First, I think he has a mouthful of food. It's like the kid with the Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
I'm not really swallowing any of this.
Yeah, he did a good job showing that pea.
He did. Don't go anywhere. Hang it, Toby. Oh. Says, the heck with you, Mag. You're too slow. Am I too slow for you? Alright. Dolly out here to eat the leftovers. Hey. That's a big piece. My goodness, that's a big piece of bean. Piece of corn? No? Piece of carrot? No? Pea? Corn. Okay.
You might want a little water.
What the heck is that? It's water. No. Yeah. Alright, we'll shut this off.
Yeah, this is the youngest.
Yeah.
He's, what, 99 days old?
98, 99, I'm not sure. You bite a chunk off of that? Yeah. Weaning. Beans are good. Hmm? Not that interested, huh? What about a pea? You have made a mess. Want any more?
It's a new hotel there. April 10th, 12th to South Point, Las Vegas. And then
There you go.
the hotel is the 29th of April for 2 weeks.
Okay. You done? Easy.